Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: latest Snapchat and your device's system dark theme enabled. Once done, open Snapchat and go to your profile. Tap Settings. You do not need developer tricks yet. Use official paths. Make sure Snapchat recognizes the system theme by closing and reopening the app after toggling System Dark Mode. If your phone offers an app-specific theme toggle, note it. These steps prepare Snapchat to accept dark mode preferences and prevent conflicts during the next. Now you enable dark mode inside the app when available. Go to Profile, then Settings, then App Appearance. Choose Dark or Match System depending on your preference. If App Appearance is missing, toggle your device's system dark theme, force close Snapchat, and relaunch to prompt the setting to appear. Make sure to restart the app rather than just backgrounding it. These actions tell Snapchat which color scheme to use and resolve cases where the app defaults to light despite system settings. Finish by verifying dark mode across chats, stories, camera, and settings screens. Some elements update immediately while others need a restart. If dark mode fails to apply, clear Snapchat's cache from settings right arrow account actions or reinstall the app to reset theme flags. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle your phone's system locale or switch app appearance between match system and dark, then restart Snapchat. This often forces the app to reevaluate theme settings and fixes lingering light mode artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.